September 28, 2024, JCI Perlas Pasay organized a tree planting activity in Tayabas, Quezon Province for Punla Sibol Bunga Year 5. The event was led by JCI Perlas Pasay's 2024 President Nanilyn Bontoyan Santos, Project Chair Vice President Sofia Daniel Sahagon, 2024 Secretary and President-elect Daisy Charlene Limbaro, 2024 Treasurer Rachel Namol, Vice President Ronica Jane Cantere, with support from 2018 LO President and 2023 Area Chair for Think Green, Marian Yonafe Pastor Pide Navarro, and 2021 Treasurer Sherry May Digawan. Moreover, this was also joined by Baby JC's Arabella Crucillo and Cristel Dolendo, along with volunteers from the PUP League of Advocates for Climate Action and Environmental Sustainability, and other supporters outside JCI. Special thanks go to the sponsors who adopted trees and the volunteers who gave their time and effort to make this project a success. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Through this activity, everyone showed their commitment to protecting the environment. Together, let's continue to live green, be green, and think green.